Hello, the question for today is, in any telescope in which the image is formed at infinity, a contrasting situation props up. We said that the object is at infinity and the image also forms at infinity. So then what is the use of telescope? Because we said that telescopes brings things nearer, but here we are saying that object at infinity, image at infinity, then what is the use of the telescope? So for that, to explain that, we need to understand the ray diagram of the telescope. So here, this is the ray diagram with the telescope. Light rays are coming from infinity, which form an angle alpha with the principal axis, or it also forms an angle alpha with the eye if it is looked at directly, as shown by this diagram. So here, the eye is looking at the object directly and it forms an angle alpha. When you use the telescope, the eye is over here, and now the light rays are forming an angle beta with the axis. So that means if we arrange the focal lengths of things properly, if we can make, according to this formula, if we can make FO more than FE, we can make beta more than alpha. So that means the visual angle increases. The way in which light rays are entering the eyes, so that those angle increase because of the use of telescope. Now the magnification, as it appears to the eyes, it is not exactly the increase in size. It is actually the visual angles. So a telescope increases the visual angle. Though the image is at infinity, it increases the visual angle as the light rays enter the eyes. So that's why the eyes feel that it is nearer, and it also feels that since it is nearer, then it looks somewhat bigger. So that's the use of the telescope. So when it becomes bigger, then we can also resolve it properly. So if it is at a distance, we cannot separate two objects clearly, but when it is nearer, we can separate those objects. So it increases the power of resolution as well. So that's the function of a telescope. So though it says that image is at infinity, it is actually the visual angle that the telescope increases rather than bringing the thing nearer. Actually, nothing can bring things nearer. So that is just a misnomer, or that's not just a wrong wording.